welcome back to Neffy Crafts and Scraps, friends. I am here today to share a DIY project because I was inspired by these gorgeous placemats at Michael's, and I figured I could actually recreate them somehow using paper. Anyways, that is what I'm here to share today. I have a gorgeous little basket here full of stitched up leaves, and I am featuring Cardstock Warehouse papers. I am using the metallic gold paper and this natural parchment paper. I cut up a bunch of leaves and I layered the gold paper and the vellum, and I stitched it up with some gorgeous gold thread that you could see here. A few of them had a little bit of brown thread, but for the most part they had this pretty gold thread, and I stitched about 60 leaves to give me around a 13 by 13 oval placemat. It's actually quite easy. Once you have stitched up or cut up and stitched up all your leaves, you are ready to layer them around your placemat. And I'm just showing you here how I stitched them. They have a very fun look to them. I like the gold and vellum mix. And here is a little bit of the brown thread that I used to stitch a few of them. It gave the perfect contrast between all the leaves, and they're so pretty. So I'm ready to get started. To make this a quick process, I am using a glue gun. So that's what you see me using here, and I'm just going to be cutting a very rough oval here using an 8.5 by 11 paper bag craft paper. This is also from Cardstock Warehouse, and I just used this paper because I thought it was a good natural brown behind my leaves, but it really doesn't matter what kind of color you use in the back. Anyways, like I said, my oval is very rough here, but that's it. I feel like I'm ready to go ahead and stick on all these leaves. In order to get that look that I saw, that I was inspired by from the placemat at the store, I had to pay attention to how I'm placing these leaves. So I started from the outside in, and I'm just going to be going around filling up these pretty little leaves all around my placemat. I fill in the first circle and then I go ahead and go all the way around. So I'm going to let you guys go ahead and watch for just a moment. At the center of my placemat, I decided to kind of fix my leaves so that they were in their proper place and then stick them instead of doing them one by one. And this helped kind of create a very more symmetrical center without it being so crumpled with the leaves. And I like that look. And that is it. That is my placemat, guys. It was so easy once the leaves were stitched. And I love it. I am probably going to display this at the dessert table on Thanksgiving. You can always make more than just one. I think I'm only going to be making one today. But anyways, you can find more details on how I created this project in the Cardstock Warehouse blog. I will link the blog post down below. And I hope you enjoy the close-ups, and I hope you guys are feeling inspired to create something scrap lifted, kind of copycat from the craft stores. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys all on my next video.